In a world of ever-evolving diesel tech, one engine refuses to be forgotten. It's tough, it's timeless, and it still turns heads in 2026. Meet the legend that keeps roaring, the Caterpillar 3406B. Pause for impact. But why is a 40-year-old diesel engine still worshipped in truck stops, machine shops, and diesel forums across the US? Stay with me. What we're about to uncover may just change how you see modern trucking forever. Pattern interrupt, light humor, spoiler alert, this engine doesn't have Bluetooth, but it will outrun your fancy emission system. Let's start with the basics. The Cat 3406B, released in the early 1980s, was Caterpillar's crown jewel. Known for its mechanical simplicity, raw torque, and almost indestructible build, this engine was a game changer before game changer was a buzzword. Pumping out around 425 horsepower and up to 1,650 lb-ft of torque, it quickly became the go-to for long-haul truckers who valued durability over digital nonsense. This wasn't just an engine. It was a way of life. Built when reliability mattered more than regulations and when diesel had that real growl. Transition with urgency, but fast forward to 2026, why is the 3406B still talked about with almost mythical reverence, especially when we have newer beasts like the Cummins X15 or Detroit DD16? Let's put it this way. If the 3406B were a boxer, it wouldn't have a flashy entrance, but it would definitely knock you out in round one. Sound effect, punch impact. Here's the twist. In 2026, the Cat 3406B is still in demand. Why? Because mechanical engines are immune to modern electronic headaches. No ECM. No DPF. No DEF. No sensors throwing a tantrum at 2 a.m., just pure, analog muscle. And guess what? There's a growing underground scene rebuilding and retrofitting these beasts into modern rigs. Want to run a pre-emissions engine and stay DOT legal? There's a loophole, but more on that in a future video. From classic Kenworth W900S to custom gliders, the 3406B is breathing new life into a modern world that's drowning in tech overload. The 3406B isn't just an engine, it's a rebellion. A mechanical middle finger to overregulation. A reminder that sometimes, the best tech is the kind that doesn't need a USB port. So if you're a true diesel enthusiast, a mechanic chasing simplicity, or just someone who respects trucking history, the Cat 3406B is your spirit animal. Want to dive deeper into its rebuild secrets, torque hacks, and how it compares to today's digital monsters? Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell. Because this isn't just a walk through diesel history, this is the sound of legacy, still echoing on America's highways.